Hello my fellow Amazon shoppers, welcome back. So today we're showing you guys this product review. So this is a set of dumbbells with 4 levels. So you can actually set it 3 pounds, 7 pounds, 9 pounds, 11 pounds. Let's go ahead and pull it out and show you guys what they look like and how they work. So how the weights work is you thread them on. So guys, it's simple. All you do is you thread each piece off that you want off. Now make sure they're tight, before you start curling. You don't want them loose. So it's just simply threads. You just turn it. And each individual one can be turned just like this and taken off. And then what you do is you make sure all the others are twisted on very tight. And then that's how you take your weights off. And then you can take all of them just the whole way, just like this. You can swap them for however you want. And you can just have these. So overall, it's very nice.